Hello, and welcome to Daily Scrum Meeting Introduction Tutorial for teams that use Agile methodology in the development process. Let's see how the team which already uses this tool deals with their daily meeting routine. Immediately after team members have synchronized about who starts the meeting, each participant shares with others what was accomplished before meeting, what is planned to be done after the meeting, and what may be blocking the progress. Today, Tom goes first. Each team member has a large variety of features to deal with any type of assignments that the development team can have. Along with management of relevant work assignments, the team has a clear indication of daily performances, as we just saw in the example with Tom. Since the professionals who are involved in the meeting are located in their private environment, the sharing process becomes more open and productive. All team members are taking part in estimation for assignments. It educates the entire team not only to follow the Agile principles, but to make right decisions accordingly to the interaction scope, actual development process, and the most important, daily resolution. In this case, Tom has decided to execute an assignment not according to bang for the buck because of technical reasons. Now Sam continues the meeting. Everyone in the team has become involved giving their remarks, making decisions for every individual assignment if required, as in this example. After the team has decided that an assignment cannot be completed because it is missing a unit test or an integration with related assignment is not finished. That provides a truly self-organized teamwork platform. Now the inspection part of the meeting is in the hands of the entire team, which gives new meaning to the adaptation aspect that combines maximum relevant perspectives of criticism or assistance, like we've seen in this demonstration. Let's take a minute to summarize what we have experienced with the team. Super short and very focused session, based on full team communication and collaboration, gives us a full picture of what happened at the meeting and provides clear indication of your team's current achievements. All your team sessions are fully recorded for your sprint reviews. Each day, have its unique work comments for each assignment, chat discussions, team performance indication and several resolutions, daily scale resolution, which we have just seen, interaction scale resolution, which indicates current sprint goals individually and in the project levels, project scale, which aggregates all past interactions goals. Of course, there is so much to discover in this tool, which has come to assist you and achieve the project goals with your team, supporting each other, focus on professional ideas and collaboration.